Morning students, I'm Jyoti, your maths teacher, again with you with a new topic, but I hope आपने अपने previous topic बहुत अच्छे से clear कर लिए होंगे बेटा। तो चलिए अब हम start करते हैं अपना नया topic जो है construction of quadrilateral। मतलब हम इसमें जो हमने quadrilaterals पढ़े हैं हम उनको बना कैसे सकते हैं, create कैसे कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो बहुत सारे method दिए जाएंगे, तो चलिए हम start करते हैं।
Construction of a quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Example: construct a quadrilateral ABCD given that AB is equal to 5 centimeters, BC is equal to 4 centimeters, CD is equal to 4.5 centimeters, DA is equal to 3 centimeters, and diagonal AC is equal to 6 centimeters. Solution: draw AC is equal to 6 centimeters. With A as center and radius 3 centimeters, draw an arc on one side of AC. With C as center and radius 4.5 centimeters, draw an arc cutting the first arc at D. Join A to D and C to D. With A as center and radius 5 centimeters, draw an arc on the other side of AC. With C as center and radius 4 centimeters, draw another arc cutting the first arc at B. Join A to B and C to B. Then ABCD
Find out
is
the steps to construct a quadrilateral when its 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB is equal to 4.5 centimeters, BC is 5.6 centimeters, CD is 6.1 centimeters, AD is 4.3 centimeters, and diagonal AC is equal to 6.9 centimeters. Also, measure the angles B, C and D. You now want to check out the steps for constructing the quadrilateral ABCD. Well, here they are. Take the ruler and draw a line segment AC measuring 6.9 centimeters. With A and C as center and radius 4.5 centimeters and 5.6 centimeters respectively, draw 2 arcs to cut at B. Now, taking A and C as center and radius 4.3 centimeters and 6.1 centimeters respectively, draw 2 arcs to cut at D. Lastly, join AB, BC, CD and AD. Thus we get the required quadrilateral ABCD. What do you do now? Measure the angles B, C and D, of course. So let's get on to the protractor working. The protractor reading shows angle B to be 86 degrees, angle C to be 78 degrees and angle D to be 81 degrees.
construction of a quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Example: construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 4 centimeters, BC is equal to 3.8 centimeters, diagonal AC is equal to 5 centimeters, and diagonal BD is equal to 4.6 centimeters. Solution: draw AB is equal to 4 centimeters. With A as center and radius equal to 5 centimeters, draw an arc. With B as center and radius equal to 3.8 centimeters, draw another arc cutting the previous arc at C. Join B to C. With A as center and radius equals 3 centimeters, draw an arc. With B as center and radius equal to 4.6 centimeters, draw another arc cutting the previous arc at D. Join A to D, C to D and B to D. Thus, ABCD is the required quadrilateral.
With diagonal DB equal to 7 centimeters, diagonal CA equal to 5.5 centimeters, CD equal to 5 centimeters, CB equal to 4.5 centimeters and AD equal to 5.5 centimeters. draw a straight line CD equal to 5 centimeters. With C as center and radius 4.5 centimeters, draw an arc. With D as center and radius 7 centimeters, draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at B. With C as center and radius 5.5 centimeter, draw an arc on the same side of CD as B. With D as center and radius 5.5 centimeters, draw another arc to intersect the previous arc at A. Join CB, BA and AD. ABCD.
हाँ जी बेटा जी, तो इसमें हमें एंगल्स दे रखे हैं और 3 साइड दे रखी है। तो क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले हम एक BC लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे। BC लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे और उसके बाद में हम इनके ऊपर दोनों के दोनों एंगल्स क्रिएट करेंगे, अपने कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे। एंगल B और एंगल C। C 135 है और B क्या है, 60 डिग्री है। B से हम क्या करेंगे, फिर एक आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे क्योंकि BA बनाना है हमें। तो B से क्या करेंगे, A का एक आर्क लगा देंगे B वाली लाइन पे ही। सेम हम C से भी एक आर्क लगा देंगे और A और D को हम ज्वाइन कर देंगे। ठीक है।
Of a quadrilateral when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. Example: construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which BC is equal to 4.5 centimeters, AB is equal to 4 centimeters, angle B is equal to 75 degrees, angle A is equal to 90 degrees, and angle C is equal to 120 degrees. Solution: draw AB is equal to 4 centimeters. At B, draw angle ABY is equal to 75 degrees. At A, draw angle BAX is equal to 90 degrees. From BY, cut off BC is equal to 4.5 centimeters. At C, draw angle BCD is equal to 120 degrees, so that CD cuts AX at D. Thus, ABCD is the required quadrilateral.
Construct the quadrilateral when 4 of its sides and 1 angle are given. Construct the quadrilateral ABCD given that AB is equal to 6.5 centimeters, BC is equal to 4.6 centimeters, CD is equal to 10.5 centimeters, AD is equal to 5.8 centimeters, and angle A is equal to 120 degrees. So we know the measurements of all the 4 sides and 1 angle of the quadrilateral ABCD. Alright, it's now time to get on to the construction of the quadrilateral ABCD. First, draw a line segment AB of length 6.5 centimeters with the help of a ruler. Using a protractor, next construct an angle of 120 degrees at A so that AB is one arm of the angle. Okay, now produce the other arm of the angle. With A as a center and radius 5.8 centimeters, cut this arm of the angle A at D. Now with D as center and radius 10.5 centimeters, draw an arc. With B as a center and radius 4.6 centimeters, draw an arc to cut the arc drawn in previous step at C. Finally, join CD and BC. Here is the quadrilateral ABCD that we want to
Construction of a quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 angle are given. Example: construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 3.8 centimeters, BC is equal to 3.4 centimeters, CD is equal to 4.5 centimeters, AD is equal to 5 centimeters, and angle B is equal to 60 degrees. Solution. Draw AB is equal to 3.8 centimeters. Make angle ABX is equal to 60 degrees. From B, cut off BC is equal to 3.4 centimeters. With A as center and radius 5 centimeters, draw an arc. With C as center and radius equal to 4.5 centimeters, draw another arc, cutting the previous arc at D. Join AD and CD. Thus, ABCD is the required quadrilateral as shown.
होप आपको ये टॉपिक बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हो गया